So, fast and easy, how to sing like Kurt Cobain. This guy is simple, I think so, but it's complex when we go through how he felt the music and express himself, because he got a lot of emotion and a lot of expression here in the face, and that's the most important tip. You need to give faces to your sing voice, because there will be more expressive thing. So the distortion that Kurt Cobain uses is this honk song here in the nose. He uses a lot of that. Hey, wait, I got a new complaint. Hey, wait, I got a new complaint. So I talk about this distortion here in the channel also. And other thing that is very important, that he uses a lot of clean voice in some parts and a little bit of whispery thing. A little bit with the warm air, but be careful when we go for the high notes. Don't do this warm air, it is a little bit dangerous. So when it is a quiet part of the song, it is a good thing to do it. But when you go for the high ones, man, be careful, be careful. Don't use that. She asked me like a pieces when I am weak. She asked me like a pieces and I am weak. I am weak. Another thing that he uses, it is the fry. This. He goes more for this. This temper, and then talks with this, with the little warm air sometimes, and then he breaks a little bit his voice. The yodeling thing. This is a good thing to develop fry scream in a future way, and sometimes he falls into that, but it's not intentional. Gotta find a way, find a way, find a way. Gotta find a way, find a way, find a way. Almost he got into the fry screen, but sometimes he plays a little bit and go for this spot. I think it's not intentionally, it's just he expressing, it's just he expressing himself, I think so. And also we can emulate that with techniques. I talk about fry scream also in this channel. It's how to sing like Kurt Cobain. I hope you like it, fast and easy. If you like, join into my free course right fucking now. It's an honor to help you in your vocal career. And also, if you want to do classes with me, send me a message, buddy. See you soon.